Hello, it's Cameron Olsen, and today is a happy day for me. I got my iPod Touch, the new one, the 4G. So I am really excited about this, and yeah. Gonna do a really quick unboxing. Gotta peel this back here, I guess. There it is. Oh my god, I can't even believe it. Straight from my local feature shop. Peel this. And this should come right off. Now this is as clean as it will ever be right now. Put the box aside. I'm going to put this aside, even though it's the main part. I'm going to put this aside for a minute. Take a look at what's in the box. It says designed by Apple in California. Okay, and here we have, I don't know why, this is in French. I have no clue, it's not supposed to be. Anyway, we have our fingertips. We have some iPod Touch important product information guide. And of course we have, as usual, two Apple stickers. So, if you'll just give me a second here, I'm going to go ahead and put this back in the box. Actually, I think that they put this in the wrong way because the fingertips are supposed to come first in these little pamphlets. And I want to keep the pamphlet, together still, because if I'm going to ever sell this thing, which I probably will when I get the new generation of the iPod Touch. So I'm putting this back in. So that's back in. See what else we got in the box here. We have our USB cable. This comes standard. And we have our inline 3.5mm head jack headphones. Now it does not look like these are the ones with the volume rockers or even the microphone. But this is really good to have. Can never get enough of them. So I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff back here in the box. Isn't going to close, is it? Not going to break it. Okay, so here we have the iPod Touch. I'll go ahead and actually I'm going to open up the back first because that's one of the most. Oh, I got a little mark on it already. No! Okay, hang on. No, it was just some dirt. Alright, I'll worry about that later, not during the unboxing video. Apparently these things scratch really easily, so sorry about that little bit of delay. I'm going to go ahead and peel off the front. There we have the back. 3.5mm head jack at the bottom, and then here we have iPod 8GB. There's the camera with the microphone. right there, and then go. I think I already scratched it. I'm not sure. Here's the front with that front facing camera right there. I'm gonna go ahead and power it up. First power up. I think it takes about 23 seconds on average to start one of these up. So we'll just wait on that. Free iPod if anybody wants it. Oh, and of course, I'll have to do the USB into iTunes. So, I'll make another video when I have this all synced up. And of course, I'll show you that little scratch. You know what, I don't even think that I scratched it, but anyway, still really nice right now. Wow, this looks nothing like it does in the videos, and it's not even that curved, for that matter. I think I might have already scratched it, but I'm going to go ahead and power it up. And I have to do this. So I'll make a video when I get this all synced up.